I'm here in Grangeville in Idaho County. That's the courthouse way in the background. I drove over 4.5 hours to attend a civil protection order hearing against David Pettinger, which that was totally bogus, but I was here to support him and to observe what was going to happen. The protection order was dismissed, so that was good, but they wouldn't let me attend the hearing. And I looked more into this because I understood that I could, and that's why I drove up here. And I was right. According to the rules, I could attend that hearing because there's nothing on the record. You know, the rules allow for a judge to make some restrictions if it's on the record and it's ordered beforehand and there's a compelling interest reason given. Otherwise, the courts are supposed to be open to the public. And there's a good reason for that, to keep a check on it so people can know what's going on. But they seem to be operating under a different policy, though. And that's another example of just how governments and even the courts just break the rules all the time. And then they bullshit you about it. Then they're trying to tell me because of ICAR 32, Idaho Court Administrative Rules, I think is what it is. That has to deal with records, and they're saying, oh, because the records in this kind of case are sealed, then that means the hearing is sealed as well. Well, I'm not asking for documents. Like that rule doesn't say anything about the hearing being closed, and the hearing is to be open. I mean, look it up. So. But that's just what they're telling. That's what they're going by. They have deputies at the door making sure I couldn't get in. They're all telling me the same thing, but they're all wrong. I did call the administrative district judge clerk's number, got no answer, so I left a message. I called the Idaho Supreme Court administrative number, and same thing, no answer. So I just left a message explaining the situation, but I have very little confidence that they're actually going to correct this problem. I don't know if it's a statewide thing, but this is not good how when they shut out access, when, the Bill of Rights and the state constitutions, as far as I know, all of them guarantee public courts have a specific guarantee that the courts are to be open to the public. And part of the reason is to keep a check on judges and lawyers. So anyway, another example how they break the rules with impunity, and since nothing happens, they just continue to do it. And they bully you, and they treat us like crap. Why do we keep forking over money to these people?